The market falling down today and also crash it. So I will tell you about why the market is falling down, and also about show you about my trade. And because today was a significant day actually, and they come a lot of data out, I will tell you a little earlier. So if you go to my screen, and I will tell you about my trade today, and I just hit around 1,500 in only in 4 or 5 minutes actually. It was very quick and fast actually, and I think it was, yeah, so it was 3 minutes actually. I just hit around 1,500, and I came out very quick from that market because it was very riskful, so that's why I just came out quick. So if you go to my screen, and I can show you, on the right side you can see the Nasdaq, and on the left side you can see TQQQ. So when it came out this data, I just shorted the market, and I just short around 8,000 share on TQQ because so when it came out this data, so you need to know the market is moved down or up. So the market absolutely, so it's just falling down, and I just shorted around 8,000 right here on TQQ, and I put my TP around 1,500. So you can see on the right side the Nasdaq is falling down, and the TQQ also falling down. So that was very significant day today because the market is crashed a lot. So after a few minutes, so just hit my target, and already I in profit around 600, and the Nasdaq is still coming down. And after when I close my trade and position, the market falling a lot down. So that was, I just came quick because I don't accept that risk. So I always take around 1,000 or 4 or 500, and I came out from that position. So but today the market is still, I think, the crashing. Yeah, so let me show you exactly. So I just waited to hit my target, and when I finish with that position, I will tell you about why the market is crashing. So you can see the Nasdaq is still so coming down, and is around, I almost around $1,000 in profit, and it was almost, let me show you, it was almost here. My target is just hit it. So let me just wait a second. Yeah, so here just my target hit it, and I came out from this position, as you know. So why the market crashed today? As you can see in the on my screen, so Forex factory, so all this data came out, so you can also see. So the first one was unemployment rate actually, so which was 5.0, which is forecasted for 5.1. And the another option was very important, it was non-farm employment, and it was coming out very high than 224. So it came out with 311. So that was very huge difference between these two numbers. So that's why, so the market is crashed. The another point was unemployment rate, so which is forecast for 3.4%, but came out with 3.6, which is also bad because that shows the people, they lose their jobs and they don't have the job. So that's why the economy also crashed, and no one can invest on the market. So that's why the market crashed. So the important was non-farm employment and also unemployment rate. So these two option and item was effect on market. So that's why the market is falling down. So that was all, guys. Thank you for watching. And when you open a position or trade, so just always be updated, especially when you open a trade or position. Just look at to the index and also news, because this news and all this information is very important to be successful in this market. So the news and also index, so just follow the trade and also always be updated, because otherwise so you lose money if you don't know about the market and also economy and also all this option. Of course you lose money. So that's why it's important to be always updated, which I always say. So that was all, guys. And also if you want to trade with the Colmex Pro, which I use, this platform is called Colmex Pro, is very good platform for stock and also crypto and also Forex. So you can use this platform for trade, special in stock, because you pay almost nothing to the broker. And I put also link in description, and then you go directly to the sign up page. If you go from that link, so you get 1 month's free fee, and then you don't need to pay any fee to the broker. So just click on that link, and then you go directly to the sign up page, and then you fill out the page. So that was all, guys. Thank you for watching, and remember to push the like button and also subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.